Hi guys, this is Nohman. Today we are going to see how we can add Recaptcha V3 to our Elementor Pro forms and to reduce the spam form submission. So let's get started. Let's type Recaptcha V3 and click the Recaptcha admin console. Copy the website URL. Add the your domain, only root domain, remove extra characters, copy and again the domain here, select scorebase v3 and submit. So we need two things. Once you submit, we will get site key and secret key. Just copy the site key, come to our WordPress backend, scroll bit down to the Elementor, go to settings and go to integrations. And yeah, it's already it's there, but it's not activated. So let me paste my new site key and copy the secret key. Yeah, just click save changes. So now it's activated. Now it's time to add to our form. So on our home page we have one form here. So let me try to add the recaptcha to this form. So click edit with Elementor. Select the form, add item, select type, select recaptcha, and if you choose bottom right it will appear here. If you select bottom left it will appear here, but I prefer to choose inline, which is look nice and neater. And yeah, just publish. Yeah, so we successfully integrated the recaptcha. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up and consider subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you.